Hi, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part in Changes by XXXTENTACION. So it's this really simple but effective piano part that just repeats throughout the entire song. So I'm going to teach you the right hand first, and you're just going to be playing one note, B. So here is middle C on my piano, and then it's the B above, it sounds horrible, but it's a B above middle C. So you're just going to be keeping that going on the beat, and it's the B that's driving it forward. It's keeping the tempo constantly. So that's all the right hand is doing. It does then, towards the end, playing octaves as well. If you can stretch an octave, play octaves, but if you can't, you can still just play the single note. So now we're going to have a look at the left hand, and this is the interchanging part. So it's an E for 4 beats, C sharp for 4 beats, and then G sharp for 8 beats. So I'm going to put that together for you now. So it goes through that 5 times just with the single B, and then 3 more times with the octaves in the right hand. So in total it plays through the piano part 8 times. That concludes this short tutorial, a very good one for beginners. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. Please give the video a big thumbs up if it has. If you're brand new here, why not hit that subscribe button and go check out my many more piano tutorials over on my channel. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, go see the comment that I've posted below. Follow the link there and that will take you through to my request space. There you can request any song that you like. All requests are noted and considered. So hit that notifications bell because one of your requests could be coming up soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!